Meanwhile, in Palm Beach County, leaders say they understand the frustrations people are experiencing trying to make an appointment to get that COVID-19 vaccine.
And during a news conference today, Palm Beach County Mayor Dave Kerner urging residents to be patient. CBS 12's Thomas Forster joining us now with the rest of his message.
Yeah, Jim and Liz, there is room to do better. We can do better, and the problem is there simply isn't enough vaccine to go around. Those are the words of Palm Beach County Mayor Dave Kerner during today's news conference. Now, Mayor Kerner voiced his frustrations about the slow rollout within the state regarding COVID-19 vaccination efforts after many residents have criticized the county's vaccine appointment hotline, which was overwhelmed with calls and stopped working last week. Department of Health in Palm Beach County is now administering the COVID-19 vaccine to people 65 years and older, healthcare workers, long-term care facility residents, and staff.
We will continue to communicate directly to you and be an honest and candid and efficient source of information that you can trust and that you can rely on.
Now, Mayor Kerner also added there is a supply chain issue with the COVID-19 vaccine coming into Palm Beach County. Those issues are being worked out to vaccinate more residents. Right now, the only way you can request an appointment is by emailing the Florida Department of Health here in Palm Beach County. We have a link on our website, cbs12.com, with all the information you will need. Guys?
Well, many frontline healthcare workers and assisted living facility residents have already received their COVID-19 vaccine, and now the rollout for elderly community members who meet the CDC's criteria is starting.
Today, elderly residents in one Martin County community received their first dose of the Moderna vaccine thanks to a private mobile clinic. CBS 12's Lexi Null was there.
Behind me, hundreds of residents in this gated Martin County community are receiving their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Many of the people who live here are homebound, and they're all elderly. So for most, this shot could not come soon enough.
Hopefully this is the beginning of something good for all of us.
Today, a light at the end of the tunnel for residents in the Piper's Landing neighborhood who were able to secure a COVID-19 vaccine.
I could see it in their eyes. We're just kind of look at each other and go, thank God for this.
We've lived in fear for almost a year, and the hope with the vaccines is just exciting for so many of these people.
Lori McEwen has operated a mobile medical clinic out of Martin County for over 20 years, but she says she was just as surprised as anyone else when she got a call from the health department offering her hundreds of doses of the Moderna vaccine.
I was excited and I was shocked because I truly didn't know that I was one of the first providers to even get it that's not, connected to, a hospital.
To roll out the shots as efficiently as possible, Lori partnered up with Piper's Landing, where she could reach many elderly and homebound residents.
Hold on. That's it. That is it.
I'm getting to the point where I'm getting relieved.
And though the vaccine rollout in Florida has been criticized in recent days as a fragmented process without much oversight, the people in this Martin County neighborhood say they're not taking it for granted. They're lucky to have experienced such a seamless process.
Most people I spoke to, I said, I'm getting a coronavirus shot. They said, how are you getting that? Who'd you bribe? Who'd you kill? I said, well, they're coming in and doing our whole community.
And as for Lori, she's just hoping she receives more doses to meet the extremely high demand.
We're all nervous, we're all stressed, we're tired, and so people are getting frustrated why they can't get it. They want it right now. Phone calls, all physicians' offices, I want the vaccine, get me the vaccine, please help us. And so we're obviously at the hands of the state. None of us seem to know how many we're getting and when.
Reporting in Palm City, I'm Lexi Null, CBS 12 News.